Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good. And today in this video, I wanted to introduce you guys to this product range which I'm using these days, and I am in love with this. So these products are my newly found love from Blue Nectar. It consists of a face wash, a serum and also a cream. Now I am using these since last 15 days guys, and I was able to see some amazing results on my skin, so I thought why not share it with you guys. Now because I'm entering in my late 20s, I'm trying to take care of my skin, and I'm also trying to use the products which are made naturally. And I love the brand's outlook because they are trying to revive the natural traditional recipe. Now guys, can we really take a moment and appreciate how beautiful the packaging is, and the products looks like and smells like some natural ingredients amalgamated in a bottle. So yes, I start up my routine by cleansing up my face, and for that I use this Blue Nectar Radiance Honey Face Cleanser. Now it has 15% real honey. Also guys, whenever I'm making a natural pack, I make sure that I'm adding honey in there because it is a natural antioxidant and it immediately helps in adding such a beautiful glow to your face. Now this face wash has the real honey. It not only helps in reducing the fine lines and wrinkles you have on your face, it also helps in reducing the blemishes, acne and its scars. So isn't it amazing guys? And I'll tell you how I use it. I take little quantity, and on a damp face I apply it all over my face. I massage it in a circular motion for good 2 to 3 minutes, and when I feel that my face is completely cleansed, I pat it dry. Now this face wash consists of 8 vital herbs which are all naturally extracted guys, and it not only helps in cleansing up your face, but it also helps in adding that beautiful glow, leaving your skin all supple and soft. Now once my face is clean guys, I follow it up with this Blue Nectar Kumkumadi face serum. Now this is made in a traditional way. I'll tell you an interesting part about this serum is it has saffron, and they soak the saffron overnight, and this is how this serum is made. It has 26 vital herbs which are all naturally extracted, and who doesn't want to have saffron in their skincare guys? So yes, it helps in brightening up your face overnight. It has anti-aging properties, and it also helps in removing the blemishes and scars you have on your face. So it is gonna be a complete solution in a single bottle. That is the reason I'm in love with the serum. And guys, the best part is when you apply these products on your skin, they smells amazing, makes you feel amazing. Also, you get some real results. So yes, it helps in adding that natural and beautiful glow to your face, and it is naturally made, so what else do we need? Last but not the least guys, I applied this Blue Nectar Jasmine Nourishing Repair Cream. Now first of all, the cream smells so amazing. It reminds me of mograss. It has a beautiful smell guys. Also, it is made up of natural cow's ghee. Now ghee is amazing for your skin, and people use ghee in order to attain that beautiful natural glow. It also has jasmine, and it consists of almond oil. Now if you are someone who is suffering from blemishes, acne and breakouts, it is gonna repair your skin. It not only helps in moisturizing your skin but also helps in repairing it. So yes, this is how I complete my skincare routine every day guys. These are my skincare essential these days. First of all, the products are natural. It doesn't have any parabens or harmful chemicals that can harm your skin. The brand is made in India. I really want to promote the brands made in India guys. And if you use my code Ritu15, you're gonna get 15% off. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I really wanted to talk about these amazing products. So I'll make sure that I give the product link in the description box below. Just go and check them out for yourself, and I'll see you guys super soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. I love you guys so much.